Talking about booking gains, let's go to the stocks that'll make you cash. Let's start with Apple. Scott, what's the next support level and how do you play today?
Apple's trying to hold 330. Some tried to, it acted a little bit better yesterday, but I'm not enamored with it yet. You have 326 and 320. I'm going to look for a little bit of a bounce, but it should see some resistance around that 334, 335. I don't think it's going to be so big yet.
And what about Abercrombie & Fitch? So yesterday the CFO says the Q2 results, quote, won't be good, but reportedly there was really no big change from when they announced in their last quarter, but stock just got killed.
Well, the psychology in that whole group changed, and we talked about the stock a lot. I have to show you the chart because I want to show you how you could save yourself always some pain. This is something that we drew, I think, a week or so back. We said if it breaks this ascending trend or the uptrend right here, get out. You just saved yourself about 7 points if that was the case. We're at support. This 60, I think, is a lot more attractive.
All right, let's go to VMW, trading around key support level. What do we do if it flows below?
Well, if you're
say it again. Falls below.
Well, right now, I think institutions are accumulating this as a trader. It's not having any follow-through in both directions. I would just continue to watch it. So when we do bottom, this could be an emerging stock for leadership.
And Caterpillar increases its quarterly dividend by almost 5% on Wednesday, but ended down. I mean, is this a buying opportunity?
That just shows you how frustrating. Yesterday, I heard the news. I went out. I bought Caterpillar. It happened right before lunch. I made a little bit of money. I left for lunch. I put a stop in. I came back. I was stopped out. So that just shows you how weak this environment is, and you have to be small, if anything.
All right, let's round out here with MasterCard and Visa because they were getting hit after this amendment did not pass in the Senate. But the thing is, they're not going to be hurt by these lack of fees to merchants because the banks are the ones that actually make the money on the fees. But who knows what the banks are going to do with the credit cards, if they're going to try and lower the fees that they pay the credit card companies. I mean, who knows with this stuff, right?
Well, when you're in a bad environment, they get to everything. And even though they've been stronger than the banks, we've been talking about, we talked about yesterday watching it on paper but not trading it, especially when you have a major event like we saw yesterday, with the vote. If you look at MA, at one of them, this is actually, did it get down that far? Anyway, it looks very choppy up here and broken. I don't know if it closed above this 270, but if you're still in there, okay, it breaks 270.